Hello everyone. In this section, I am going to discuss another important use case, that is text summarization using Cohere command text foundation model. So this is a very important use case of generative AI. Text summarization is a common natural language processing task with various real-world use cases. And for this project, I am going to use Cohere command text version 1.4 foundation model, which is a fine-tuned for instruction following tasks, is highly suitable for summarization. And this is the flowchart which we are going to follow for implementing the project. But before to understand this flowchart, let's see the use cases. So below are a few use cases of text summarization using Cohere command text model. The first one is the document summarization for corporate reports, meeting minutes generation, news article summarization, academic research abstracts, customer support ticket analysis, legal brief summarization, social media post summarization, and e-commerce product review summarization, and many more use cases which is available for text summarization. Now let's understand this flowchart which is demonstrating text summarization using Cohere command text foundation model through Amazon Bedrock and AWS Lambda. Now here you can see there is a user who sends a REST API request containing a text prompt, and in the prompt user can put some text for summarization like a news article or social media post to an API gateway. The request is processed by an AWS Lambda function which triggers the summarization process. The AWS Lambda function invokes the Amazon Bedrock service to access the Cohere command text foundation model. Amazon Bedrock uses the model to generate a summarized response for the given text prompt. The Lambda function returns the summarized response to the user via the API. So here you can see few use cases which I have already discussed in the previous PPT. And the important key points here is the user who sends the API request, and the Lambda function executes the summarization logic and interacts with the Amazon Bedrock. And Amazon Bedrock, which hosts the foundation AI model for generating text summaries, and Cohere command text foundation model, which is an AI model responsible for processing and summarizing the text input. So that's all. In the next lecture, we are going to implement this project practically.